Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. I'm so excited to be doing an unboxing and to be creating this look with some of my favorite holiday Mecca products. Mecca always have the most amazing holiday limited edition kits, so that is what we're going to be using today to create this daytime glam, which is perfect for celebrating with friends during the festive season. So make sure you stay tuned and make sure you also hit the subscribe button. Okay guys, let's hop straight into the video. Alright, I am so excited to hop into the unboxing and to see what holiday products that Mecca has sent along. I did mention some of my favorite brands, but all the products inside this unboxing are still a secret to me, so I'm really excited to find out what they are with you guys. So we've got this beautiful package first up. This is the limited edition Mecca Cosmetica, the Great Protectors, your SPF BFFs. So I'm guessing this is some sunscreen inside, and Mecca is famous for amazing sunscreen. So let's crack it open. Okay guys, look how cute this little bag that it comes in is. I love this. It just pops open. We've got two products inside. So first up, we've got SPF 50 Super Screen from Mecca Cosmetica, which is a body one. And then we've got the Mecca Cosmetica Broad Spectrum to Save Face sunscreen. Next up, we have got the Mecca Cosmetica Swept Away, your ultimate makeup brush and travel case. Oh my gosh. Oh, look how cute this is. So it's a little set with some beautiful rose gold brushes. Oh, these are stunning. I love getting new brushes. These are perfect for the holiday season. Oh, so soft. Okay, now, oh my gosh, I'm very excited about this. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Vault. Boop. Whoa. We basically have a year's supply of mascara. That is insane. So it kind of gives you some dates. This one will be January to March, April to June, July to September, October to December, and a bonus. That is so cool. I cannot wait to use it. The next chunk of products. So we have, okay, amazing. We've got some Dr. Dennis Gross skincare products in this little pack. So this is the Hydration Celebration. First up, we've got this massive size universal daily peel. Then we've got a daily cleanser, which is a melt away cleanser, which is great for removing some makeup. And then we've got an oil-free moisture cushion for dehydrated or dry skin that will plump, make it dewy, and make it hydrated. So I'm definitely going to use this today before my makeup. It's like I'm reaching into like a little mystery box, pulling out to see what I get inside. OMG, I love this. This is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops from Glow Recipe. These are amazing. This is what it looks like. Such adorable packaging. I use that as a primer and it is so glowy and dewy on the skin and it makes makeup look incredible. So I'll definitely be putting this to use today. We've got a few things left still. We've got this little Anastasia Beverly Hills value set for natural looking and budge proof brows. Oh my god, this is perfectly up my alley. Now we've got the Party Flex eyeshadow palette from Mecca Max. Oh, these are stunning. I think I'm gonna do something with purples today. These beautiful like lilac-y colors. I want to do a really cool holiday look, so this is the perfect palette. And oh my gosh, Hourglass. This is the beautiful ambient lighting edit. I'm pretty sure that this is also limited edition, but with these palettes, you have to get your hands on them. I am obsessed. Just absolutely stunning colors, and you will use this all year round. Got a Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner. Yes, I'm in desperate need of a new eyeliner, and Stila do amazing ones. And these really cute Stila Stay All Day liquid lip sets. I love these. I use one of these lipsticks almost every day at work. Such a cute little set, guys. So everybody, let's hop into the look. I'm going to start with skin prep using some of these amazing products. And firstly, I'm going to use the Dr. Dennis Gross Oil-Free Moisturized Cushion. Okay, this is what it looks like. Oh, it smells so hydrating and fresh. I'm just going to use whatever's on this little thing because I don't want to waste it. I'm going to chuck that out. And I've got clean fingers and I'm just going to, I look a bit like a little Rudolph situation. I'm going to, oh, wow, this feels so nice. Really gently blend this into my skin. Oof, I would just want to put this over my whole body. It feels so nice. Next up, to make sure my skin is protected from the sun all day, which is super important, especially in Australia during the holiday season, I'm going to be using the To Save Face SPF Super Screen. Okay, this looks great. It's not leaving a white cast on me at all. Now to go in with one of my favorite primers, the Watermelon Dewdrops from Glow Recipe. It's in about 2 pumps because I want this to be a super dewy holiday look. We're gonna kind of make it up as we go, but what I'm planning is for beautiful, flawless, glowy skin as always, and a nice pop of color on the eyes. Just for something really fun and festive, and because we've got such amazing products to play with here, I'm sure the look will turn out amazing. I'm gonna prep with a little bit of my own base of some foundation and some concealer, and then I'll be back and we'll hop into some other products. I'm gonna start zooming in now, guys, because I want you to see up close the makeup going on my face, and I really cannot stand to look at my eyebrows a second longer like this. So let's get into this Anastasia Beverly Hills Value Set. And by the way, this is in the shade Dark Brown, which is the perfect shade for me. Fluffy, soft brows. Everything a girl wants. I'm going to start with this little brush here to pack on the eyeshadow, and this shade here called Feather Boa, and I'm going to pack this onto the lid of my eye. Tap, 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 and let's pack it on. Oh my gosh, are you guys seeing how easy that went on? Okay, I gotta zoom in more. Oh my goodness, this is stunning. Can't even tell you how vibrant this shade is in real life. It looks slightly muted on camera, but it is absolutely popping on my eye. I mean, on this fluffy brush right here, and really softly blend this out, but I want to keep as much of it as possible on my lid. Now for some dimension, I'm going to take this smaller little buffy kind of brush, this darker shade, and mix it with this shade, so Confetti and Tonight, and I'm going to apply this underneath my lash line just for a bit of dimension. I love this palette, such amazing pigment. Now while we're close up on the eyes, I'm going to go in with an eyeliner, but I'm actually going to be using the brown Stila eyeliner in Stay All Day Dark Brown, because I think it will be nice and match with this more soft lilac look. I'm not going to do a wing, I just want to kind of line this for a bit of definition around the eyes with this light color. I want them to pop, so I'm going to add this. So just a really nice thin line, as you can see, just makes my eyes look a little bit more prominent. To finish off this eye look, let's go into this beautiful Vault. Here we go. This gives such a beautiful full fan effect. Eyes are looking perfect. Now that the eyes are done, I want to enhance the rest of my face with some bronzer and blush, and I'm going to be using this beautiful palette, the limited edition Ambient palette from Hourglass. Such beautiful shades, and what works really well is this blush is quite purpley toned, so it will work and tie in nicely with the eye. To bronze, I'm going to take this beautiful brush from the kit and this shade in the corner. Let's get some sun-kissed looking skin going on here, guys. Now let's tie the look together with this beautiful blush. This is the shade Rose Heat. I love this blush. Okay, I'm not going to put too much because I think it might be pigmented and we want to build our way up. To finish off, I'm just going to use the same brush and I'm going to apply this beautiful highlighter. So this is Strobe Powder, the Strobe Powder in Solar Strobe on the high points. Oh, damn, she's giving me some holiday glow. Ooh, So everybody, this is today's finished look and I am so obsessed with it. I think it is the perfect daytime look for the holiday season, and I'm obsessed with these Mecca holiday products that I used today. If you want to shop them, I will leave some links below, and make sure that you subscribe to Mecca's channel as well.